Thank you, tech people. I want to take this opportunity once again to uh, show you another video that I've produced about, as you can see from my topic, is data analytics with AI, artificial intelligence, that has become of much use in this present world. Now I'll be presenting episode 1. My name is Victor Alando, a data analyst, data engineer. I'm a tech person, as I introduced myself in the previous video. I'm also a freelancer. I work much more with data and thereby making me to earn my daily living. So these are just my first videos I'm making to at least to make people have this knowledge that I have, that can help one achieve a skill that he or she might have been pursuing to have in this tech world. Basically, data analytics is wide, but I've just prepared something like an introduction part of it. Of course, we'll be walking through various episodes of data analytics and artificial intelligence. Data analysis is wide, as I've said, that it needs proper understanding, and also it needs someone's time to make sure that at least you understand it better. Now, we say that as an introduction part of it, that data analytics is the process of collecting, transforming, and organizing data in order to draw conclusions. Now, make predictions and drive informed decision making. The field encompasses data analysis, data science, and data engineering. So this is my tutorial. We will equip you with proficiency needed to drive you in the modern data-centric world. You will be able to master foundational concepts in data analysis, interpretation, and visualization, and also while integrating AI tools and techniques like Python. We also have databases there now to manage and analyze data. So this data will at least make you derive actionable actionable thoughts or analysis that you've made with your data. So simply we are going to just introduce you to data analytics with AI, how artificial intelligence can help one do a proper data analysis and come up with a data-driven insights for decision making that can help the business grow, or that can at least move your part as a data analyst in another level. So also that you can stand out in this present world of technology. So that is about the introduction part of it that I've prepared, so that we see how we are going to go about this. So thank you so much for your time. I must thank you because you've taken your time to listen to me. Let's go to another slide that says that we are in a data-rich world. So when I say we are in a data-rich world, I mean that data analysis and visualization are now used in every industry to find meaningful insights and make important decisions. I mean with this statement like this, tech people, data sources can be drawn from various sources. Industries have various sources for acquiring their data. Even small businesses, even large businesses, they have a source of acquiring their data. So the world is rich of data, and each and every day we handle data much more in our day-to-day tech world, so that we make data analytics at least a meaningful key point in the process of data analysis. So we have data analysis as the key factor there, and then now we have another factor where we come up with storage. After that, we come up with, as you can see from the playing the animation there, it plays for you the process, whereby now the final process is data visualization, which is here. Now the latest AI tools that make it easier to work with the data and can help you build data skills faster. So let's see how they can these AI tools can help you do a proper data analysis in this data rich world. So we are producing more data than ever before, and if you can visit Kaggle. Kaggle is just a website or a source where, if you want to find data that you want to practice your skills with, you can find many data sets there. So with the world is producing data for analysis and for testing and for even making some decision with the data. So we are generating this data each and every year, and the graph of data increases each and every year. So if I'm to ask you in a simple question, that select the visualization that best represents this data trend over time, I will say that option this one, this second graph, sorry, has a graph that at least progresses upwards, where as the time increases, the data also increases, or as the data that has been collected can be presented over time. Now here, the data that has also has not been processed over time has to show a declining graph, or a falling graph. So this blue trend here shows that this data is increasing over time, whereby our data is growing yearly, and year in year out data is growing, and thereby we can present our presentation like this, or we can present our analysis that data is growing over time. So cool, let's continue. Now, as human beings, we are constantly generating data. Now we have the global data amount. Now the global data amount, as I've said, that is too large. So there's some data that requires big data storage platforms. Now, as you can see, my graph here, it shows that data has been collected. 90% of this data has been collected between 2022 and 2023. So we can say that the global data that has been collected over time, the 90% of that data lies between 2022 and 2023. So the chart above shows that 90% of the world's data that was generated in the past 2 years, or in the last 2 years. So thank you so much, guys, for that. Sorry, let's go forward. Good. So we have this analysis again, where I want us to go together. We say that we have millions of data. We have global data, for example, that is being produced daily, and even hourly data is being produced, and even in more within a miss of a second, not even a miss, within a trickle of a second, data is being produced. So we can say that this graph shows millions of gigabytes of data, and also time as data is being produced. So we have examples there whereby we have Facebook, we have Twitter or X, we have TikTok. So all these presentations shows data. So we have to substitute Facebook's data here. We also have to substitute X data stock Twitter data there, and also we have to substitute TikTok data. So whereby if you are to make derive this data, we need to understand it better. So as we can see, it can help you develop skills to understand data better and get more out of it. Every interaction, transaction, communication, and activities in the digital world generates data. Online shopping, smart devices, and social media are just a few examples of data generating activities ready to dive. So we have time, and also we have the amount of data that is being produced. So we can say that Facebook has produced that amount of data, Twitter has produced that amount of data, and TikTok has produced that amount of data just by clicks, likes, even and comments. Those are just data that can be extracted in our day-to-day usage of data. For example, these apps like Facebook, Twitter, and even TikTok and other apps that can generate data for analysis. So that's how we see. Now, is it true or false that customers' reviews on Amazon and clicks on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, StockX, and TikTok are transformed into data? Yes, it is true. Because if I give a comment on Facebook, that is data. If I give a like of a content on Facebook, that is data. If I leave a comment on TikTok or on X, that is data. So when I do this in a period of time, for example, if I started using my Facebook account in 2006 up to 2024, I've just generated a quite amount of data to analyze. So that is true that even the customer reviews, user reviews, user actions on these apps can generate data. Social media platforms versus data generated per day in gigabytes. So we see Facebook has been analyzed to generate over 40 million. It's what 40 it is 40,000, 40 million there, something of the sort. TikTok has 7,350, Twitter, X, and whatever. Now, tables can show data in a structured way. Now, we can look at the way the data has been represented or generated. Just I've said Facebook has generated 4 million, and then TikTok has generated 7,350, like that and what have you. So Gen AI is well known for understanding and producing unstructured data. Now it can also help understand and analyze structured data. So we see how data is much important. Now there is something here that I'm going to introduce again. Our ability to generate, collect, and analyze tons of data is growing when data is too large or complex for one device to handle. This is known as big data. So if we have big data, we can also introduce this data into a larger amount of storage, whereby we can distribute our data in a more efficient way. So there are platforms and softwares that in future we will learn on how they can handle this data. Thank you so much, guys. That is all that I have to prepare for today, for just an introduction. So thank you so much. Wait for more videos are coming. Like, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.